If you replace every part of something, is it still the same thing? Or does it become something different? Let's talk about one of the weirdest paradoxes ever, the ship of Theseus. Imagine an ancient Greek ship. Over time, its wooden planks rot, so they replace them one by one. Eventually, every single part is new. So, is it still the same ship? But wait, what if someone takes all the old, discarded planks and rebuilds the ship exactly as it was before? Now there are two identical ships. Which one is the real ship of Theseus? And here's where it gets even crazier. What about you? Your body replaces most of its cells over time. So, are you still you? Or are you just a walking, talking reboot? And if we uploaded your brain into a computer, is that still you? Or just a high-tech imposter? This paradox has baffled philosophers for centuries. It messes with our whole idea of identity. So if everything changes, what really stays the same? Or are we all just imposters? Think about that. And don't forget to like and subscribe before you get replaced too.